Welcome back to Helper Dad. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto with a look at the $ token. This meme coin, found on the Ethereum blockchain, has a connection to the artist Matt Fury, the creator of Pepe the Frog, and the whole Cortex Vortex idea. Now, if you're curious about getting your hands on some $, this guide will walk you through the process of how to buy it. Let's dive into understanding $. This is a meme coin inspired by the art of Matt Fury, and is a part of the Cortex Vortex ecosystem, residing on the Ethereum blockchain. It's important to understand the tokenomics, including the total supply, distribution of the tokens, and whether there are any burn mechanisms in place. Keep in mind the risks and considerations involved with meme coins. They are highly volatile, and there is always the potential for rug pulls. Therefore, it is absolutely crucial to DIY or do your own research before investing. Right? Let's get your wallet set up to handle slime. First, you'll need to choose a wallet. For interacting with Uniswap, we recommend MetaMask, but Trust Wallet is another popular choice, especially for those on mobile. If security is your top concern, consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Once you've chosen, download and install the wallet application or browser extension. Then, you'll need to create a new wallet, or import an existing one if you have one already. And this is super important. Back up your seed phrase, also known as a secret recovery phrase, securely. This is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your wallet. Treat it like gold. Finally, you'll need to fund your wallet with some ETH. Purchase ETH from a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and then transfer that ETH to your newly created wallet address. You'll need ETH to trade for slime and pay for gas fees on the Ethereum network. So next, let's talk about how to find the all-important $ contract address. This is absolutely crucial because you want to avoid scams and fake tokens, ensuring you're buying the real McCoy. Your best bet is to find the official contract address through reliable sources. This includes the official $ website, if there is one, or Matt Fury's official channels, like his Twitter feed. You can also look to verify community channels on platforms like Discord and Telegram. Once you have the address, it's vital to double-check it. Verify it against multiple sources to be certain, and then use block explorers like Etherscan to further confirm its legitimacy. This way, you can be sure you're interacting with the correct $ token. Right, let's get into how to buy $ on Uniswap. First, you'll need to access the Uniswap website by going to app.uniswap.org and connect your wallet to the platform. Next, you'll import the $ token by clicking Select a Token, and then pasting the $ contract address, finally importing the token into Uniswap. Now it's time to swap your ETH for $. Select ETH as the input token, $, as the output token, and enter the amount of ETH you want to swap. It's crucial to carefully review the transaction details, paying attention to slippage and gas fees, before confirming the swap in your wallet. Speaking of slippage, it's important to understand that slippage is the difference between the expected price and the actual price, and you might need to adjust your slippage tolerance if the transaction fails. But remember that higher slippage can potentially lead to front-running, so use it cautiously. Finally, always keep an eye on those fluctuating ETH gas fees by monitoring gas prices before making the swap, and consider using a gas tracker to help you. Let's talk about some security best practices. It's crucial to protect your wallet at all costs. Never, ever share your seed phrase with anyone, and store it offline in a secure location. Always be on the lookout for phishing scams that try to trick you into revealing your private information. When it comes to avoiding scams, make sure you only interact with official channels related to the project. Double-check every link and address before clicking or sending anything. and be very suspicious of any unsolicited offers that seem too good to be true. Finally, it's essential to regularly review your transactions. Check your wallet activity frequently to make sure everything looks normal, and report any suspicious activity immediately to help protect yourself and the community. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Help or Dad. Let's quickly recap the steps you need to take to buy slime. Remember, it's crucial to understand that mimikins, like slime, carry significant risks due to their volatile nature and speculative value. We strongly encourage you to conduct thorough research, assess your risk tolerance, and only invest what you can afford to lose. If, after doing your due diligence, you're ready to explore, then by all means, start your journey with slime, but always trade carefully and invest responsibly.